Hello, Joshua Collin here. Thought I'd do a quick intro to this video. This is a cold start of my car with only one working glow plug. You will hear me talking and strong language is used just one time. It was early in the morning, trying to get my car started, ready for work. This is the day that I ended up replacing all four glow plugs, the glow plug harness, and putting in a frost heater. And you'll see a separate video on that. On to the next part. This is going to be a cold start of my Volkswagen BHW 2.0 liter with only one working glow plug. Yes, I gotta cycle the glow plugs quite a few times. And it's bitching about me about sorry for swearing, but it's cold. It's 15 degrees. According to my car, it's 17, but so, yep, thought I'd do a quick cold start before I replace the glow plugs.